Hello friends, welcome to Inspire Education. Today we are going to see what a continuation wedge, a bearish continuation wedge is. A continuation wedge is considered a bearish signal and it is a continuation pattern. So it indicates a possible continuation of the current downtrend. Here the stock is witnessing a downtrend. The pattern if formed, ये इस चीज़ का कंफर्मेशन देता है कि जो करंट डाउन ट्रेंड है दैट इज गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू कन्वर्जिंग ट्रेंड लाइन्स. दीज आर द टू कन्वर्जिंग ट्रेंड लाइन्स. द ट्रेंड लाइन्स आर स्लैंटेड अपवर्ड्स. ये first trend line and second trend line, and as is visible in the chart they are slanted upwards. Unlike the triangle patterns where the apex is pointed to the right, जो ट्रायंगल पैटर्न्स होते हैं उसमें जनरली जो एपेक्स होता है दैट इज द कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ द टू ट्रेंड लाइन. इट इज पॉइंटेड टू द राइट. द एपेक्स इन दिस पैटर्न इज स्लैंटेड अपवर्ड्स एट एन एंगल एज इट विजिबल. ये दोनों ट्रेंड लाइन्स अपवर्ड स्लैंटिंग है और देयरफॉर द एपेक्स ऑल्सो फॉर्म्ड हियर. इस पॉइंट पे जो एपेक्स फॉर्म हो रहा है that is also slanted upwards at an angle. This is because the price edges steadily higher in a converging pattern. As is visible, the price edge करता है steadily higher in a converging pattern. That is, there are higher highs and higher lows. The highs are also increasing. Highs भी high होते जा रहे हैं and lows are also rising. See, first low and second low is far above the first low, and same is the case with the highs. A bearish signal occurs when the price breaks out the lower trend line. अब ये पैटर्न का completion तब होता है और एक bearish signal तब generate होता है when the pattern breaks out this lower trend line. इस lower trend line को break out करके नीचे की तरफ move करते हैं, एक down trend show करते हैं. This is the point of the bearish signal or a sell signal. Over the weeks or months that the pattern forms, the trend appears upward but the long term trend is still downwards. Over the weeks or months जिस टाइम में पैटर्न फॉर्म होता है एक अप ट्रेंड विजिबल होता है. ऐसा फील आता है कि देयर इज एन अप ट्रेंड इन द स्टॉक बट द ओवरऑल लॉन्ग टर्म रेंज इज still downtrend. Volume should diminish as the pattern form. As the pattern forms, the volume should be diminishing. Talking about the duration of the pattern, the duration has a strong relationship with the trading time horizon. Longer the pattern, longer the time required to reach the target price. There are some criteria that support and refute. The volume should diminish as the pattern forms. As I said earlier, volume कम होने चाहिए. They should be in a diminishing manner when the pattern is forming, and price should be below the 200-day EMA. 200-day का moving average से नीचे होना चाहिए जब sell signal generate होता है. And some refuting criterias are if stable volumes throughout the formation of the patterns are seen, that is less reliable the pattern becomes, and if the volume is above the support level, a false signal or pullback may be there. Talking about the underlying behavior, the higher lows and the higher highs indicates that the bulls are winning the race. As this pattern forms, जो higher highs और higher lows form होते हैं उससे ये feel आता है कि bulls are winning the race over the bears. Finally, the bears emerge the victors and the price falls. Finally, at this point of the pattern completion, bears emerge as the victor and the price falls, and the downtrend is continued. So this is all about the continuation wedge bearish. I hope I have made myself clear. Any queries you have, you can log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you so much.